Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a sunflower. So it's going to be a little detailed drawing. For this, let's draw a small circle in the middle. You can draw like me. So this is a small circle as you see here. Alright. Then draw another circle like this. It's like the outline. And the circle here. And a little ring, you can see another one outside the previous one. Okay, let's draw the leaves like this. Let's put few dots in the middle. Alright, few characters at the border like this. When you draw the flower decoration, we need little time and patience to do all the detailing. Alright, let's draw few lines which are vertically distributed, going outwards from the center. Alright, let's put shades like this. Also draw few steps like this here. Alright, each each petals has a dark shade at the middle. So let's draw few lines at the middle of each petal. Alright, behind those petals we can see more petals like this. When we put the colors, we are going to make the variations in shades and the depth of the colors. Alright, now let's draw a stick from here and draw up to this. Another stick we can draw. The leaves will be like this, coming from the central stick, and the leaves outline will look like this. Put some strips like this. Another outline will be like this. Let's put some outlines here to the end. Another outline will come to this end and draw some lines like this. Alright, we can put few shades for the leaves here like this. Also for these leaves. Alright, now let's put the color. The outline is almost done. The dark green for the stick here, as we're putting, you can see the colors. So the flower is going to be a nice one. Alright, you can see the leaves here. Alright, let's do the detailings for these leaves. As you see, the dark green is done. Now we are going to put the light green for the rest of the part, which is just without the color. Let's put the light green for those parts only. So these variations is making their drawing looks more nice. When you draw, you can follow the instructions and follow all the steps as you see here. So the leaves looks good. Let's put the orange color for the flower in the middle. Okay. Then we can put another color like this. Alright, then again we can put the orange color. and we put the yellow color at the end. You can draw like me. Put the yellow color for the outlines of the outer circle. All the petals looks yellow, just like it. This is a nice combinations of the colors, as you see. So it looks like all yellow and yellow and yellow. The whole out surface like this. Alright, the flowers getting nice. Okay, another variations of yellow, we can put it like this. It's like little red, between red and yellow, something like that, but makes the flower looks good. The color is almost complete, as you see. After completion of the color, the drawing will be a nice one. We hope so. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Next time we are going to draw more interesting stuffs. Stay with us, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Have a good day.